Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today, we are going to steam tofu with olive vegetable. This dish is appetizing and simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Tofu, olive vegetable, ginger, chopped ginger, Open the box, pour the tofu into a bowl, and cut it into pieces. Add 1 teaspoon salt to remove excess water of tofu. 1 tablespoon olive vegetable. One teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Mix well and set aside. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Olive vegetable. Remove excess water. Place olive vegetable on tofu. Steam for 5 minutes. steamed tofu is ready to serve. This steamed tofu dish is delicious when paired with olives and is not greasy at all. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There are more delicious easy tofu recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.